In this video, we will discuss if the Alpecin Gray Attack Caffeine in Color Shampoo actually works. So, it typically works by containing 5,6-DHI, which accumulates the hair with each wash. The active ingredient reacts with oxygen in the air to form color pigments, and it is advertised to have permanent colors with caffeine complex known as Alpecin to help supply caffeine to hair tools. So, according to users, some users have found the shampoo ineffective, reporting no change in their hair color even after months of daily use. So they also reported bluish tones where the shampoo did have an effect, but it's not dark enough since it's actually kind of blue, which is typically undesirable and noticeable under bright lights. They have also reported gradual darkening with visible changes appearing after several weeks of consistent daily use. Now, some users also noted that it's not for all hair because it's less effective for very gray hair, which in some cases turn blue, and results can vary depending on the hair's initial color and length. There's also some important consideration that the daily use is required with intensive application and also potential irritation for ingredients like sodium lauryl sulfate and colorants like HC blue number 2 CL1914, which may cause irritation in some individuals. So, to answer the question if it really works, I would say that it doesn't work, but on some cases it is. So, do I recommend it? The answer is no. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.